Do you guys remember this video? Yes, it was a review video and generally मैं जब भी कोई review video बनाती हूँ I make sure that I tag the brand. This time too I did the same, but you know what? Something happened differently. Hello my precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Vin and welcome to my YouTube channel The Sassy Leo. Today's video is all about my very honest reviews about Pep Nails nail kit. So guys, I made this video and it was so kind of the brand to watch the video fully and they noticed that my nail lifted after a few hours. So I mentioned in the video कि मैंने glue tabs purchase किए थे from Blinkit. So they told me that this may happen if the glue tabs are old either or they might have not been stored properly in the Blinkit warehouses or whatever the reason might be. The brand actually noticed my video this time and they were too kind enough to send me this. But that being said, it doesn't mean कि ये कोई sponsored video होगा. No, not at all. Although the brand sent me their product to try, they were very kind enough to not compel me for any kind of video to give in return, but they asked that if I wish I could share my experience, and I was like, why not? I would definitely love to share my experience with my lovely precious people, my lovely The Sassy Leo fam. And so here I am. Yes, this time I am going to use their press-on nails, their nail kit, their glue tabs, everything from the brand itself. Firstly, I would like to thank the brand for sending me their product. This video is going to be my 110% honest reviews about what I personally feel about this product. So if you wanna know what are my personal views and my opinion after using this product, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am The Sassy Leo Vin and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into grey and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. Alright, let's start with unboxing this pretty product. Look how beautiful is the packaging. Backside mein we get all the important details about the product. In this pack we get a nail prep kit. See, we also have a thank you card. How pretty. Alongside we also get the instructions manual जो हम religiously follow करने वाले हैं. Now let's see what is in the nail prep kit. The very first thing is nail glue and along with it we also have a piercing needle. Very thoughtful. They provide us with nail buffer, cuticle pusher, nail glue tabs. In the nail prep kit, we get one alcohol swab, a 4-step nail filer and 24 pep nails. From the instructions manual, we are going to follow the common steps first. इसमें the very first step is to select the nails according to the size of the nail bed. See, nail के पीछे number भी mentioned है. These are all the nails जो मैंने मेरे nail bed के size के according select किए हैं. Now it's time to prep our nails. This is the before situation. Now first thing is to push the cuticles back. This time I am not using any kind of cuticle oil nor I am using any kind of moisturizer or body lotion, nothing. I washed my hands thoroughly and उसके बाद मैं directly cuticles को push कर रही हूँ. Please be very careful while doing this step. Moving ahead to the next step, I am taking this alcohol swab and cleaning my nails thoroughly so that जो भी natural oil होगा around my nails वो सारा रिमूव हो जाए. नेक्स्ट वी आर बफिंग आवर नेल्स एंड लुक एट द डिफरेंस. ऑल्सो इंस्ट्रक्शंस मैनुअल में इट इज क्लियरली मेंशन दैट डू नॉट ओवर बफ. नेल्स को लाइटली बफ करने से यू गेट अ रफ सरफेस एंड इट प्रोवाइड्स बेटर एडहेशन फॉर आवर नेल्स. यहाँ हमारे कॉमन स्टेप्स कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. नाउ वी विल मूव अहेड टू यूजिंग ग्लू टैब्स, जिसमें फर्स्ट स्टेप आती है टू मैच द साइज ऑफ द ग्लू टैब्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेल बेड. वन एडिशनल स्टेप जो मैंने सीखी है इज टू स्टिक द ग्लू टैब evenly all over your natural nail. Now you can take your press on nails and stick them like so starting from the cuticle. 30 seconds के लिए you need to hold your press ons onto your nails and you are done. So this was the before situation and here is the after. Aren't these looking so beautiful? And flashlights में ये जो shimmer sparkle हो रही है, wow, how pretty. I applied it on this day, so I will count it as the first day. Look at the strength. I hit my nails on the door pretty hard, but none of it came off. Great. Guys, look at the time. These are still intact. See? And how pretty these look. Guys, look at the time. It is the next day. I just wanted to give you an update regarding the nails. Almost about 24 hours later, I am so surprised, so shocked, but you know, these are still going so strong. And surprisingly, these have not been loose. Any of the nails, they are still intact, not at all loose. It is so shocking कि सिर्फ prepping the nails properly is so important. Now I shall see you all tomorrow with a new update. Guys, just have a look. It is the third day of doing these pretty nails. You know what? I was studying and this nail ripped off. The other nails are still intact. कोई भी nail lose नहीं हुआ है अभी तक. And the reason of this is my grip instead of this. So maybe due to this constant pressure, ये रिप ऑफ हुआ है. एंड लास्ट टाइम 2 to 3 नेल्स वर लूज, इसलिए मैंने सारे रिमूव किए थे. दिस टाइम ऑल ऑफ द अदर नेल्स आर इंटैक्ट, सिर्फ ये लूज हुआ है. आई एम गोइंग टू रिप दिस ऑफ एंड मैं फिर से इसे अप्लाई करूँगी. So yeah, this was an update that I wanted to give you. Alright guys, a few moments later, reapplied it and now it is really nice, strong, tight. Yay! Day 4. Look at my nails. All are still intact. So far, these are going so great. Guys, it is the next day and a quick update about my nails. I just wanted to tell you that yesterday, ये जो nail है, this one lifted and मैंने इसे second time fix किया है, but still today ये loose हुआ है. And I guess it is the 5th day. These are still going strong. Just one thing that I want to tell कि अभी I can feel कि nails की grip थोड़ी सी weak हुई है. I can definitely feel कि नेल्स थोड़े लूज हुए हैं एंड इन्होंने थोड़ा सा अपनी पकड़ छोड़ना स्टार्ट कर दिया है. बट नन ऑफ देम हैव लिफ्टेड ऑफ. दिस ऑल्सो इज कमिंग ऑफ, यू कैन सी, बट राइट नाउ दे आर नॉट कमिंग ऑफ स्टिल. सो हम ज़बरदस्ती इन्हें निकालेंगे नहीं. वी विल वेट जब तक खुद से निकल नहीं आते. सो या गाइज, इट इज़ द नेक्स्ट डे, दैट इज़ द 6th डे ऑफ अप्लाइंग दीज प्रिटी नेल्स एंड दिस इज़ द सिचुएशन राइट नाउ. काफ़ी सारे नेल्स थोड़े लूज हो चुके थे, स्पेशली दिस वन. ये तो ऑन अ डेली बेसिस काफ़ी ज़्यादा परेशान कर रहा है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू रिप दिस ऑफ. बट ऑल द अदर नेल्स ऑल्दो लूज, लेकिन वो खुद से रिमूव नहीं हो रहे हैं. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिमूव देम. सी यू टुमारो. गाइज, इट इज़ द नेक्स्ट डे एंड हियर्स द अपडेट फॉर टुडे. दिस इज़ हाउ द सिचुएशन इज लुकिंग राइट नाउ. Guys, today is the 7th day and look at the situation of my nails right now. काफ़ी सारे nails काफ़ी ज़्यादा लूज हो चुके थे, so I decided that I will remove these. Now it's time for my final verdict, my honest views and हमें इस वीडियो से, इस वेट टेस्ट से एंड इस एक्सपीरियंस से क्या सीखने मिला है. Nail prep, it is so important. I never realized it before, but this time I realized this because you know, if आप nail prep अच्छे से नहीं करोगे, the glue tabs won't be able to hold the press on nails onto your natural nails properly. So nail prep is very important and nail prep में सबसे पहले आता है cuticle pushing. मेरे पहले वीडियो में मैंने यूज़ किया था cuticle oil. अब मैंने क्यों यूज़ किया था, क्योंकि अगर cuticles हमारे ड्राई हो तो जब हम उसे पुश करते हैं तो I personally feel that it is a painful thing. इसीलिए I thought कि पहले हम cuticle को थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट कर लेते हैं by using cuticle oil, उसके बाद हम उसे पुश करेंगे तो it might be easier. बट लिटिल डिड आई नो कि क्यूटिकल ऑयल यूज़ करके अगर रेसिड्यू रह जाता है देन it is not possible for the glue tabs to hold onto your natural nails. And this time हमने बिल्कुल भी कोई cuticle oil, not even a moisturizer, हमने कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं किया था. We applied the glue tabs onto our dry nails, absolutely dry nails. Absolutely dry nails क्यों कह रही हूँ मैं, because हमने nails को अच्छे से clean किया था using alcohol swab. So yeah, that actually made our glue tabs last longer. Also I want to mention कि if you don't have alcohol swab क्योंकि सिर्फ एक ही अल्कोहल स्वैब आता है इन वन नेल किट. सो इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दैट यू मे यूज़ 100% प्योर एसीटोन. वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे से नेल सरफेस को ड्राई कर देता है. जब मैंने नेल्स रिमूव किए तो मेरे नेल पे कोई भी डैमेज नहीं हुआ था. And this is one thing that I adore, absolutely love about glue tabs as compared to nail glue. क्योंकि nail glue, if I am not wrong, is a super glue and I am not a big fan of nail glue. Maybe that it is just me, but I prefer using glue tabs more than any kind of nail glue. So, and if you want, I will make a detailed video on my experience about using glue tabs as well as nail glue. Also, I was so happy कि मेरे nails with nail glue tabs इतना long last किए हैं. भाई मैं तो fan हो गई. I am a press on nails girly now. Let me tell you, I have used a lot of nail glue tabs जो मीशो पे भी मिलते हैं, जो मीशो के नेल्स के साथ मिलते हैं, बट नन ऑफ देम, ट्रस्ट मी, नन ऑफ देम lasted for even a single day. But these glue tabs and these nails lasted for 7 days straight. The most important thing कि कोई डैमेज नहीं करते हैं नेल ग्लू टैब्स. ऑल्सो कोई स्मेल नहीं है, मेस फ्री एप्लीकेशन होता है. सो अगर ये इतने ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्ट करते हैं देन and I will always prefer Pepnails glue tabs which I purchased from their official website. Just one little request कि जो हम Blinkit से जो बहुत ज़्यादा हैंडी डैंडी होता है ऐसे डिलीवर कर देता है. So Blinkit पे भी अगर हमें fresh glue tabs मिले and if they long last this much, that would be cherry on the cake. So yeah, and with this I guess I will wrap up today's video. If you like such kind of in-depth, honest review videos on my channel, then please tell me what do you want me to review next. And this is it for today. If you like such kind of videos, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video.